Joshua in the kitchen cooking food. Woo, woo, woo. Can you see? Yeah. I really missed it. This is nice. Wow.
Auntie, I say you should not come. I'm going to cook.
Enter. Please, come and see Joshua. Come and see Joshua cooking for us. What do you want? Let us know. What do you want? What are you cooking first?
Okazi and water.
That is what do they call that one?
They still call it.
You don't know what they call, but we want to cook it for us. It's afan soup. Just say you want to cook afan soup for us today. And I'm not even alone. I called some persons to come to the house because just say you want to come, you want to cook for us. He said I should not enter, but I will enter. You're doing the water leaf. You've not owned anything now. He said I should not enter here. Precious, what are you okay, what are you doing, Precious? You're only just to sit down.
Yes.
You're only to sit down. Joshua, what am I going to help you to do now? What am I going to do? There's fly. What did you put outside that's bringing fly? Hey, see Joshua, show the water leaf. Ah, wow. Joshua want to cook for us today. Wonderful. Let's see the pot. And Joshua, you don't put anything inside the pot.
Just start.
Okay. Should I wait? Especially let me sit down too. Okay, what about the pounding? You're not pounding the ocasio. See Joshua. Then I finish pounding the ocasio. Say, I just want me to help you. We are going to stay here and see Joshua cook food. I'm not going inside. I said no, I was inside though. I was just pressing my sister. I said no. I'm going to stay here and see Joshua on. Yeah, so what's inside the pot now? What did you put inside the pot?
It's the kanda
Video Joshua that is it?
Kanda, isam, and onions.
This Aisha, I'm not going to cook this food. Don't waste this food for us. So.
I'm going to cook it.
You're going to cook it?
Yes.
So you have been cooking this food?
Yes.
He said he has been cooking afan soup. The auntie has been telling him to cook the soup that he can cook very well. So, and he has been disturbing me that he wants to be cooking the food. He has been disturbing me. I said, no, I don't want you to go and spoil food for us. Everybody's hungry. See Precious now. Precious is hungry. Precious, you're hungry. And Joshua said, Auntie, leave. Just relax. We are just coming back from church. Relax. Let me cook the food. So we're going to see what Joshua will be doing now. Joshua is serious.
What is ability to cook?
Video. Let's bring it close. Let's see what he's doing. Joshua.
Yes.
Is that how you're doing it?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. See our Joshua. Oh, hey. So I have a cook, I'll be a chef in this house, and I don't know. Let's see. See what Joshua is cooking. Wow. Why is it? I think Kechi is sleeping. Tomorrow she's going to come and show me her own talents. Let's see what's happening here. So now, okay, after the steaming of this, you put your water leaf.
Yes.
Joshua, we're going to taste Joshua food today. Wow. That's good. Joshua. See our Joshua. See our Joshua in the kitchen. Joshua is in the kitchen. You said you're not going to stain this place. I know you pour this word. I'm seeing everything that you're doing. I will score you. After everything, I will score you. I saw everything, how you arranged everything. Shay, when I used to cook, you see the way I arrange my own things. I'm seeing how you're arranging your own things. I'm seeing everything. So I'm going to, after cooking this thing, so we put water leaf. Wow, that's nice. Though it's okay now, Joshua. Yeah. This is nice. Okay. Joshua is that one?
Pepper.
Okay, the pepper and crayfish you grounded.
Yes.
All right, so Joshua is putting the okazi. Wow. See now food. So Joshua said to pound it is the best. Yes?
Yes.
So to pound okazi is the best. Okay. Okay. Alright. So we're going to enjoy our soup today. Wow. This is really nice. Wow. Pretty nice. Joshua in the kitchen cooking food. Woo, woo, woo. Can you see our yeah. I really missed it. This is nice. Wow. Funny enough, we did not spend too much. You know, say don't buy me, just buy more from me. Buy lot, buy fish, buy periwinkle, buy okazi, buy crayfish. Oh, so I have a chef in this house, and I don't know. Let me test the food. Let me test Joshua's food, though. My people, my people. Ha! Wait a minute. Let me see. These are screenshots. Okay, so I want to use this medium since Joshua is cooking to thank Auntie Oluchi. Auntie Oluchi came around and she gave us some plantain. She said, cook it for my Joshua, for my precious, for Ikechi. She gave us a lot of things. She gave us Gary. Auntie Oluchi, thank you so much for giving us all those things. See our plantain now. See the plantain. She said we should use it and we should eat. And she gave us some, what's this one?
Coconut.
Coconuts, Jesus. So Joshua, wait, the coconut was 3, they don't tell me. She gave us 3 coconuts, see them, some plantain. And she gave us, wow, and Oluchi, God bless you, thank you so much. This is not the only thing, she gave us the gari that she gave us, and the gari is plenty. She gave us like, I think it's, one basin, one and their shade. How many basin of gari? One basin of gari. She gave us 1 basin of gari. She said we should use that and eat. Thank you so much. She gave us so many things. I cannot bring them out. So many things. Gave us some leaves to use and cook. The gari is inside the store. She said, please just manage it. But please, Auntie Oluchi, this is more than management. This is too much. We thank you so much. Thank you so much for giving us this food. Let me see the food. They are not saying it very well. They are not saying Joshua's food very well. Woo! This is Joshua in the kitchen.